Well, these days all it takes is just a mention of your name. Deep inside my heart somehow I feel that same old pain, left over from the time you said goodbye and told me you were walking out. I'm still believing in the things I never dared to doubt. I find myself awake at night, whispering your name, trying to keep this broken heart from driving me insane, and thinking about the way you were and all the things you tried to rearrange. I'm still believing in the things I never cared to change. I still believe there's a heaven above. I still believe in a crazy little thing called love. And I still believe in working it out. And I still believe in you and me beyond the shadow of a doubt. Well, lately I've been wondering if the things that you said were true, as if I'm not the only one that this has happened to. You made your bed and cleared your head, and now it's time for you to tell the truth. I'm still believing in the things I never dared to do. I still believe there's a heaven above. And I still believe in a crazy little thing called love. And I still believe in working it out. And I still believe in you and me beyond the shadow of a doubt. I believe in Elvis and blue suede shoes. I believe Hank Williams and honky tonk blues. I believe old Ernest still walking the floor. And I believe in Johnny Cash, but I still don't know what for. I got those Folsom Prison blues. I still believe there's a heaven above. I still believe